Hi everyone, welcome to Shake It Off Lamourify. Today I'm going to share with you bitter melon chicken recipe. Add in 800 ml of water into the pot. Add in 200 g of Sichuan preserved vegetables. Stir well the Sichuan preserved vegetables. Close the cover, bring it to a boil and simmer for 20 minutes. Add in diced chicken fillet. Make it into bite-sized balls shaped. My cooking does not have any added sugar and salt. It's all natural flavors, as you can see it in my previous videos. Scoop out the culinary foam. As these are not edible, make sure you scoop them out. Add in sliced bitter melon, medium-sized bitter melon. Stir well the bitter melon. Stir for about 5 minutes. You can see it change color. Add in 7 red dates without seeds. Slice them into half. My cooking does not have any added sugar and salt. Scoop out the culinary foam. Add in 300 grams of macaroni. It looks very delicious, isn't it? It's colorful and it's appetizing. This is best for weight loss recipe. Follow my channel for more recipes. As you can see that my cookings does not have any added sugar and salt. Let's stir well the macaroni. And you can see that the color has changed. The bitter melon color has changed and it looks so appetizing, isn't it? Stir well. Stir for about 5 minutes. Scoop out the culinary foam. As these are not edible, make sure you scoop them out. As you can see, the bitter melon color has changed. It looks so yummy. This is best for weight loss. If you are putting a lot of weight and looking for new recipes for weight loss, this is advisable for weight loss recipe, as it is a new recipe as I have never made before. So when it's cooked, and let's eat. It's ready to eat.